With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that a potential difference of 0.75 volts is applied across a galvanometer which causes a current of 15 milliamps to pass through it. If it can be converted to an ammeter of range of 25 ampere, then the required shunt should be, okay. So we know that galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter as well as ammeter. So to convert into ammeter, we need to connect a resistance that must be in parallel to the galvanometer. So this is the galvanometer. So in parallel to the galvanometer, we have to connect a shunt resistance. Okay. So this is known as this becomes this whole this set. Okay. This whole shunt plus galvanometer thing becomes a ammeter. Okay. Ammeter. So we know that galvanometer can be converted into ammeter. Okay. So over here, Ig, okay, we are writing all the values firstly. Ig, which is current possible through galvanometer, is what? Highest current possible through galvanometer is 15 milliampere. Okay, so 15 milliampere will write 15 milliamps, which will be equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay, and also it is given that ammeter should be of range 25 amperes. So that means that I should be equal to 25 ampere, I of circuit. Okay, so that we can read properly, means this I should be 25 ampere. Okay, and lastly the potential difference is given 0.75 volts. Okay, so the potential difference V is given as 0.75 volts, which will be equal to 75 into 10 to the power minus 2 volts. Okay, so we have everything. Now what we're gonna do, we'll find the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay, resistance of the galvanometer is what? Resistance of galvanometer is Rg. Okay, I is the current through circuit, V is the voltage across circuit, and basically Ig is the current across galvanometer. So Rg is what? Resistance, means V is the basically voltage passed through the galvanometer. So we will just use this to find the resistance of the galvanometer. Okay, so Rg will be equal to what? It will be equal to V by Ig. Okay, so V will be equal to 0.75, which is 75 into 10 to the power. So 75 into 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 15 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this will come out to be what? It will come out to be basically 15 takes 75 by 5 times. Okay, so this will come out to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 1. This will be equal to 0.5 ohm. Okay, so we have this. So now what we are going to use, we are going to use the formula for shunt. Okay, shunt. So what is the formula for shunt to convert ammeter, means galvanometer, into ammeter? So it is Ig is equal to, Ig is basically current through galvanometer, is equal to S by S plus Rg, okay, which is resistance of galvanometer, into I. Okay, I is current through circuit. Okay, so over here S is the shunt resistance. So we know everything. Ig is basically what? Ig was 1.5 milliamps, so it was 15 into 10 to the power. So it was not 1.5 milliamps, basically it was 15 milliamps. So 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 will be equal to shunt resistance, which we don't know. So we need to find the shunt resistance S divided by S plus Rg is basically the resistance of galvanometer, which is 0.5 into I. I is 25 ampere. Okay, so on calculating this whole equation, S will come out to be what? The value of S will come out to be 0.03 ohm. Okay, so this is basically our answer of shunt. Okay, so the value of shunt is 0.03 ohm. So our answer will be option number C, which is 0.03 ohm. Got it? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.